What sets us apart from other podiatry laboratories is that the design process in the laboratory here is done by a podiatrist. With our laboratory, every design process, every single orthotic is done by a podiatrist. You can teach a technician how to finish an orthotic and design it, but if they haven't had that experience of actually fitting into a shoe, fitting into a patient's foot, knowing the issues that come from slight modifications and adjustments, it will never be the same.
I've used Footworks for more than 10 years. The educational sessions that they run for podiatrists when they first start using the lab are fantastic. Prescription forms are clear, so the product that I receive is what I ask for, and I'm putting my name on the orthotic, so at the end of the day I want a good finish to my devices. I want them to be comfortable and fit well in the shoes, and that's why I use Footwork.
5 years ago we looked at computerising the whole process. We looked at various different software models off the shelf, none of which suited to what we wanted to achieve. We basically wanted to be able to produce on a computer what we could do with our hands. So we made a call to actually design our own software. And we came up with a software that what we see is far superior to anything that's on the market. So the process is now basically podiatrists will take a cast, or even these days they have laser scanners in their clinics. That cast is then laser scanned inside our laboratory, scanned on the inside of the cast, or a positive scan is taken by the podiatrist of a patient's foot and sent in to us. Either way, we end up with a 3D image of a scan on our computer, and then we do the whole design process as we would in the plaster, but we do it on a computer and design the whole orthotic on a computer. Once it's designed, it goes to a machining process, and from there gets machined, gets finished off by hand.
The scanning of the cast that they do at the lab means it's easy to order represses of orthotics. In a setting like this, players might need a particular type for their football boots, a different type for their runners, and perhaps a different type for their casual shoes as well. And it's very easy to order all those 3 types of devices from the one cast. The technical support from Art and Lewis, they're always on the end of the phone if I need any help regarding my orthotic prescription, particularly with a difficult patient. They understand the profession, both being podiatrists. The orthotics are returned exactly as I would want them to look, so the shape of device that I'm picturing for the foot is what I get back, which is as good as making the orthotics for myself.
We take pride in our work, our staff take pride in our work, and we're very lucky to have such staff. And we use the best products available. We source our plastic from Germany because it is the best product on the market, the most durable, the most reliable.
Footwork have many options available for modifications, and so I can be really specific regarding my exact needs that I want for the orthotics. Really quick turnaround of devices as well. In an elite setting like this, obviously the players want their orthotics back as quickly as they can if there's a need for them.
Nobody's feet are perfect, and if you sit in an office all day on a chair, you probably will never have any foot problems. However, if you're an athlete and you've got some misalignment, and your feet don't function properly, well, it may affect your feet, your knees, your hips, your back. We do deal with the top sports medicine clinics, which look after majority of the AFL clubs. We've done orthotics for majority of the national sporting teams.
AFL players need to train as much as they can. They need to have maximum endurance and strength and fitness for their performance. A player like Jared that's got some obvious biomechanical abnormalities needs a good pair of custom-made orthotics that are specific to his foot type and his needs regarding shoe fit, and that means that he can train at a higher threshold without risk of tissue overload.
We speak to podiatrists and usually the response is, look, I'm 80% happy with the lab that I'm using. Well, I can't sleep at night if my clients are 99% happy. We are constantly told that our product is superior in finish to anything that's on the market. And again, it goes back to care factor of our staff, our laboratory technicians, who take care with it. Close enough is not good enough.